Should I be a little bit stressed?
Yeah, I mean, I guess you're a bit anxious because you're about to go on.
Yeah. I have like 13k subscribers. That's
Action.
I had like 13k subscribers. I found this post online from this guy where you can pay like $50 a month, and there's and there's like this click farm full of Nigerians that will pump your content on the internet to make sure you get ranked better. That's how I became so popular. No, sorry. Blah.
Action.
I have like 13k subscribers on my channel. I know I can do it. It's not that hard. I found this post online from this guy when I... Sorry. Dang it.
Action.
I have like 13k subscribers on my channel.
Sometimes you just need to take 5. Do you want to take 5?
I want to take 5. I can connect you if you want. What's your channel's name? My name is Little Miss Chicken Face.
Okay.
My channel name is called Little Miss Chicken Face. Ja, precis. I dropped the link in the chat. I can connect you. What's your channel's name? Mine is Little Miss Chicken Face.